Today we're going to talk about a topic that is very, very, very popular. In fact, it's probably one of the most popular topics that are out there in credit. And that is, how do we raise our credit score 100 points? Okay, so first I'm going to ask you guys to do 3 things for me. This I'll appreciate, because what the 3 things I'm going to ask you to do are going to help us grow our channel. I'm the only one that comes every single day with information and education to help you guys learn how to raise your credit score and your money situation, okay? So if you haven't subscribed already, or if it's your first time seeing me here, please hit the subscribe button now, okay? It's the little red button. Hit the subscribe button. And then, because I'm doing the videos every day, make sure you turn on that bell notification. It's real simple. Just hit the little bell, and then every day you'll see the videos coming in. It's an everyday thing. That's why I'm doing it every day, so I can hold you accountable. Number one, the more times I come to you, the more help you're going to get, and the more people you can share this with to help them. My goal is to help millions of families across the world live a better life because they understand the credit game, okay? And when you do that, you can leverage money, you can have a better life, and really the battle cry is having better credit, so that way you can have financial freedom, okay? So that being said, the topic we're going to talk about today is how to raise your credit score 100 points. The first question I need to ask you is this. Do you know what your current credit score is right now? Okay, we have a lot of people call into our business and they say, can you tell me what my credit score is? Well, you would know that if you pull up a Credit Karma. You would know that if you had Credit Check Total or Experian.com. Pull up your credit report. I'm not a big fan of Credit Karma, but it's free. It takes 5 seconds. Pull up a Credit Karma, know your credit scores of what they are today, so that way when we say, hey, we want to raise our credit score 100 points, we know where we're starting, and we know why the end score will be if we want to raise 100 points. Now, the second question you need to ask yourself is this. Why do you want to raise it 100 points? Okay? People will call me all the time and say, Mike, I want to raise my score to 800. And I'll say, why? I don't know. I just want an 800 credit score. Well, why? I don't know why. Know why you want to have an 800 credit score. So think about this. Do you want an 800 credit score because you know that 800 credit score is valued at over $150,000 in cash? Maybe. Do you want an 800 credit score so that way you know when you walk into any bank you can get a loan or a credit card, or apply for credit cards online and not be turned down? Do you want an 800 credit score because you want to walk into any dealership and say, this is the vehicle I want a 0% interest rate, and I want basically 0 down payment? Do you want to get a new home? Do you want your first home? Do you want to get out of a better, apartment and get into a brand new apartment? What are the reasons you want an 800 credit score? Okay, so number one, first thing is know your score today of what you are. Number two is ask yourself this question. Why do you want a high credit score? Don't just tell me I want a high credit score. Know why you want a high credit score. Then we can help you. Okay, so then it goes to number 3, which is techniques. Okay, if you know these 3 things, which are your credit score is comprised of basically like a wheel. Okay, 35% of your credit score is your payment history. So if that's basically a third of your credit score, in order to raise your credit score extremely fast, what would we want to do? We want to remove late payments. Late payments are going to be the thing that's going to hold your score down the most. That's 35% of your score. Okay. Number 2 is add aged trade lines. Okay. If you don't know about trade lines, you better learn what a trade line is really quickly. Okay. A trade line is powerful. It is a band-aid to raising your credit score fast. Now, again, we're talking about raising your credit score fast, not something that's going to take 6 months to a year. You need to get your credit score up 100 points. There's 3 things you got to do. You got to remove your late payments. Okay, I can show you the techniques of how to do that. It's very simple. Number 2, you need to add age trade lines. Okay, the way it works is this. Age over credit limit. Age trumps credit limit when you buy trade lines. Age over credit limit. I don't care if the thing has a 5,000 credit limit, okay, and it's got literally 2 years old, or I had something that was, 15 years old with a 1,000 credit limit. I would take the 15 years old hands down, okay? So I want you to look at age, because what lenders are looking at is consistency. And if you've got perfect payment history, because when you add a trade line, it's going to copy that person's credit card data over to yours. That's basically all it is. It's a copy paste, right? So if you're getting added to a trade line that's got low utilization and it's got years and years of history, then it looks like you've been making your payments for 15 years and on-time payments. This is a game changer. And guys, right now, while trade lines are still working with about 80 to 85% of lenders, I highly recommend getting them if you want a quick fix. Get what you're trying to get and get out. Okay? Trade lines are not a permanent thing. The really cool thing about trade line is actually when the trade line comes off, the age still stays. You just lose the revolving credit limit. But the cool thing about trade lines is it's a quick fix to get what you need today. Okay? Most places you're talking about, anywhere between 30 and 60 days, keeping you active on the account. That's your time to go out, bang, go get your car, go do what you got to do, go get your house, go get your credit cards. Okay? This is a game changer. Okay? Number 3, this is utilization. Okay? So if you can pay down one of your credit cards, okay, to 2%, like I always talk about, 2%. Get one of your credit cards, the lowest credit card you have, get it to 2%. Your score will drive up immediately. Okay? So if you do these 3 things, your score is going to go up 100 points. I mean, removing late payments, adding age trade line, I'm talking about over 10 years, and then lowering one of your credit cards to 2%, your score is going to go up to 100 points. Like, I can almost assure you that will be a 100-point increase or higher just by doing those 3 things right there. Okay? This is what I teach. I teach credit education. Okay? I've been ranked number 1 in the credit world for many, many years. Okay? I'm the guru. I'm not tooting my own horn. I'm telling you, it's not tooting your own horn if it's the truth. But I've been known as the number 1 in the space for a reason. Okay? I've taught thousands and thousands of people how to do credit repair. I've got the proprietary information how to do it. The letters I've used to create massive 8-figure number 1 trade line company in the world. I've got the techniques. I've got the proven track record. I've got the accolades to help you guys as well. Okay, I know that some of this can be overwhelming. You're looking at your credit report. You're like, I don't even know how to remove late payments, Mike. I don't know how to get trade lines. I don't have a family member. I don't have a friend. I don't know what to do. I don't know how to raise my credit score. The only thing I really could do right now is probably just pay one of my credit cards down to 2%. Okay, but here's what I'm going to tell you. Education is the most powerful tool as an adult you can make. If you want to succeed in life and you want to make more money and have leverage and go where you want for as long as you want, with whomever you want, and not be constrained to life, then you need to have good credit. So get your credit right. And the first step you guys need to know is those 3 techniques I just told you. And if you're like, you know what, Mike, I don't have time to do that. I'm busy. I get it. I'm busy, right? But that's why I put together a program for you guys. I did all the work for you. It's a plug and play. I literally put together a program and said, hey, here's what you need to do. Put your information in where it's highlighted and send it off. And here's a video exactly how to do it. A 4-year-old could do it because I've made it that simple. That's my program. Okay? You also have free elite credit repair in most of my products. Free. You don't even have to do the work. It literally comes with the program. So with one of my top vendors, and when I say top vendors, I mean the best in the world. Okay? One that I trained. So, guys, if you need help, that's what we're here for. I'm here. I've helped thousands and thousands of people. I'm telling you, in the last 60 days. I've got testimonials from here to Ohio. I got a scroll from here to Ohio, literally, of people that are like, thank you. You should see inside the course how many daily testimonials that come in. Guys, if it didn't work, you wouldn't create an 8-figure company doing it, okay? People wouldn't be getting results, and you wouldn't be doing very well, okay? That's why I got into the space of teaching you guys what you need to do. The credit game is exactly what you need. That's plug and play to put your information in with a video. I mean, literally, I got the whole thing, like everything in order, exactly what you need to do, who you need to send it to, the things you need to remove before you do your credit report. Like, I went through everything. Like, I can't even express how simple this is. But you guys need to take the action. And taking the action is just calling. It takes 2 seconds to pick up the phone. You call us up. We explain the program. There's no obligation. You say, hey, you know what? I want to do it my own. Then do it on your own. Okay? You can walk through a minefield and either know where the mines are because I've taught you where the mines are so you can navigate around it. Or you could do the work yourself and try to figure it out in the next 2 years. Okay? And that's usually what happens. Most people live with bad credit for years because they don't have the education to know where to go, what to do, or how to start. That's the benefit of having somebody who's already done it, and the testimonials that come in by hundreds a week by saying, thank you, you changed my life. I've made $40,000. I just got a $25,000 Navy Federal card. One we got today, $25,000 Navy Federal card. Man, you helped me in the last 60 days. This is what I'm here for. I'm here to help you. I love you guys. I appreciate subscribing, liking, give me a thumbs up. And I want to help you. 904-420-7772. It takes action to get results. And the action I need you to do is make the phone call. That's it. What does it hurt to give us a call real quick and say, hey, I need help? I'm here to help you. That's what we want to do. Okay? 904-420-7772. When you get this video, you call me and show me you're serious. And I promise you'll have the results like the rest of the people. I love you guys. I'll talk to you in a minute. Mike, Credit Game.